open up. You open up.
Hey guys, so I just got out of Target. I'm sorry I look so busted. I just went to the gym too, so I'm sorry. But I am leaving Target. I just went in there and bought so much freaking stuff. I bought like $90 worth of stuff at Target because, like, when do you ever walk out of Target and not spend $90? Like, so yeah, I am going to dye my hair today, so I figured I would just bring you guys along for like the whole ride and all the whole experience and everything. I was going to bleach my hair lighter. This guy is staring at me, vlog. But that costs a lot of money. Like, it's very expensive. So this is only $6, so we're just gonna go brown again. Like, but yeah. So I figured I would just take you guys home, do the whole thing on camera for you guys. That way you guys can see how it goes and what I do. Because I kind of do this like once a year when after I'm done being blonde, I just go brown again. So I'll just take you guys along for it. But yeah, I went to the gym. I just went to Target. I'm gonna dye my hair. I did my nails. Like, your girl is doing a whole day of self-care over here. So, guys, you gotta take a day out of your whole life and just do you for a whole day. It's really nice. But yes, I am going to go home now, so I will see you guys there.